is efficiency. By continuously learning and adapting, it ensures that the stencil printer operates at peak performance, reducing the chances of breakdowns and maintenance issues. It's like having a personal trainer for your stencil printer, keeping it in top shape round the clock. But the real beauty of AI and stencil printing lies in its potential for continuous improvement. With each print, it learns, it adapts, and it becomes better. It's a self-improving system that's designed to excel, to push the boundaries of what's possible in stencil printing. But that's not all. AI also plays a crucial role in defect detection and prevention. So let's delve deeper into that in our next segment. Ensuring quality and consistency is a key challenge in surface mount technology. This is where artificial intelligence really shines. In the world of stencil printing, AI acts as an astute inspector, meticulously examining every aspect of the process. It sifts through mountains of data, identifying patterns and spotting discrepancies that might evade the human eye. Imagine an AI system that can scrutinize the paste dispensing process in real time. It's constantly learning, refining its knowledge base, and making precise adjustments to ensure optimal results. It's like having a superhuman quality control officer on the job 24/7. Now consider a scenario where a potential defect starts to emerge. The AI spots it in its early stages long before it results in a faulty end product. It then takes corrective actions, averting a costly production error. The result? A significantly reduced defect rate, streamlined operations, and improved product quality. By optimizing the stencil printing process and preventing defects, AI is truly revolutionizing SMT. AI in stencil printing, it's a game changer, isn't it? We've seen how it reshapes the process, optimizing paste dispensing and minimizing defects. It's a leap forward for surface mount technology, enhancing efficiency and precision. AI doesn't just detect errors, it prevents them, ensuring a smoother, more reliable production. So, next time you marvel at a piece of modern technology, remember the role AI may have played in its creation. Until next time, stay curious and keep